Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen, only to end up with mediocre meals? What if I told you there's a way to make delicious, flavorful dishes in a fraction of the time? Meet the Instant Pot, the multifunctional pressure cooker that's transforming kitchens everywhere. Customers rave about its ease of use and the detailed instruction manual that comes with it. With over 2,500 reviews mentioning product quality, it's clear that this appliance is built to last. Imagine setting it and forgetting it, while the Instant Pot does all the work for you. It's perfect for meal prep and busy schedules, making cooking enjoyable and efficient. The Instant Pot comes with many instant settings, ensuring consistent results every time. The warm function keeps your food at the perfect temperature until you're ready to eat. It takes up little space but offers a multitude of functions, making it a kitchen essential. Whether you're making soups, broths, or even vegan dishes, the Instant Pot has you covered. Customers love how it transforms the way they cook, saving time and energy. The slow cooker function works like a charm, and the delay start feature is a game changer. With over 1,700 reviews praising its ease of use, it's no wonder people can't imagine their kitchens without it. The Instant Pot makes delicious meals with minimal fuss and minimal dishes. Its design and comprehensive directions make it user-friendly for everyone. The pressure cooker cooks meals quickly without compromising on flavor. Tender meat, fully developed flavors, and quick cooking times are just the beginning. The presets make it super easy to use, even for those new to pressure cooking. Cleaning is a breeze, with the top being dishwasher safe and easy to disassemble. Customers appreciate its reasonable size, perfect for both small and large families. It saves space and the hassle of switching between multiple appliances. The generous capacity is ideal for meal prepping and busy schedules. Some find it a worthwhile investment, making cooking convenient and saving time and money. The Instant Pot comes with 3 new preset buttons: cake, egg, and sterilize. It also features a large LCD screen with a digital display for easy operation. The food-grade stainless steel pot ensures durability and safety. With accessories like a trivet, condensation collector, and rice paddle, it has everything you need. The Instant Pot's versatility is unmatched, making it a must-have in any kitchen. From steaming vegetables to making yogurt, the possibilities are endless. It's not just an appliance, it's a game changer for anyone who loves to cook. So why wait? Transform your cooking experience with the Instant Pot today. Instant Pot, making cooking enjoyable, efficient, and delicious.